Yeah, hello. Welcome back once again, lovely viewers. There's the Doboskyi TV, and my name is Doboskyi. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a life hack using MTN. Yeah, I'm talking about MTN SIM. When you're in Ghana, yeah, this hack is for you. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to just make a call with 7 pesos. Yeah, I'm talking about 7 pesos, 0.07 pesos. You're gonna make a 1 hour call with 0.7 pesos. The thing is that MTN, they are very badass all the time. They don't want to dash you credit to make calls. This life hack is very real. Okay, so we're gonna dive right into things. So we're gonna open our dial and I'll star 550 hash. Yeah, we're gonna be activating the free after one. So free after one, six, free after one, activate. Yeah, okay. I've already activated the service. So the next step is what you have to do is that we have to dial star 567 star 1 star 2 hash. That's the next step. And with this, you, you only buy a credit of 0.07, 0.07, and you choose one, and you choose whether if you have credit in your main account balance, you can use to buy, or maybe you can choose to buy it from the Momo. Either ways, so this, and you choose. Okay, so when you have the things that I don't have enough balance in my account, so when you do this, after you've activated the free after one and you use this code to buy the credits, and you just dial the MTN number you want to call. When you dial it, you can talk unlimited. Yeah, I'm talking about making unlimited calls. You're gonna be talking like 2 hours, and like MTN is not gonna notice a shit. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Like the video, share it, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.